Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about State Farm. More specifically, I'm going to show you how to order checks for the State Farm checking account. So a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits that check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and your routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever browser you normally use will be perfectly fine. I'm going to be using Safari for the purposes of this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, statefarm.com. Also check out the description for the link to State Farm. So the first way to order checks is going to be to log into your State Farm bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the login button at the top of the screen, top right hand corner, and click on that. That's going to open up this where you can enter your user ID and your password. Now if you don't have a user ID and password, you can click right down here where it says create an account and then just follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to want to click on banking options and order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks for State Farm is going to be to call their customer service phone number and order them over the phone. You should be able to find this phone number on the back of your debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest way to find the phone number. You can also look for a contact us page on the State Farm website. That can sometimes be a little bit tricky. So if you happen to know of another way to find the customer service phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there could be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way that you can order checks is through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for State Farm. I've already got this tab up and I've already typed into the search bar order replacement checks for State Farm. This is going to bring up several websites that you can order checks from. Checksunlimited.com is a pretty popular one. Now do be aware that the security features and prices to order checks from these third-party vendors online will vary. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for your State Farm checking account from, be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy because you're going to need to have your exact State Farm bank account and routing number available. Unlike when you order from the State Farm website or over the phone through their customer service, those numbers will not be automatically loaded. You will have to provide those yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I really hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on State Farm.